Forest practitioners thrive by learning from each other to grow their expertise in the forestry sector. The Find an Expert directory is your go-to tool for connecting with other professionals in the field of forestry and beyond. To access it, you start by navigating to the Find an Expert page. When you scroll down on this site, you'll find a comprehensive list of experts who have shared their own areas of specialization. The directory is fully searchable, allowing you to look for experts in a specific area of expertise or practical experience. In the directory, you'll find contact details to help you connect with the expert most relevant to you. For some experts, contact details are not publicly available. In these cases, clicking the Contact button will send a request to the SIPex team, who will help connect you with the expert. If you'd like to be part of this network, you can easily join the directory by filling out the submission form. In the context of the SIPex, an expert is defined as someone with advanced knowledge or skills in a specific area, gained through experience, education, or training. They can be viewed as a mentor, knowledge holder, or specialist, providing advice, recommendations, and feedback within their field. Even if you might not consider yourself an expert, you likely have valuable experience or insights that may help someone else like you. To join the directory, simply click on the button and fill out the form. We encourage all interested practitioners to join the network. Welcome to SIPex, your knowledge hub for silviculture innovation in BC.